let's move on to non-conventional sources of energy. Examples for non-conventional sources of energy are solar energy, energy from the sea, and geothermal energy, and nuclear energy. In energy from the sea we have tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy. Let us discuss about each source in detail. We will start with solar energy. The sun is the source for all the energy. The energy that obtained from the sun is called solar energy. The heating devices which work on solar energy are called solar heating devices. Examples for solar heating devices are cooker, solar water heater, and solar furnaces, etc. The light energy is used in solar cells. Let us learn in detail about solar energy with an example, that is solar cooker. The solar cooker is a device which is used for cooking food by utilizing the heat energy radiated by the sun. The solar cooker consists of an insulated metal box or wooden box which is painted with all black inside. It is covered by a thick glass plate which allows the heat to enter inside but does not allow the heat to escape out. It has a concave mirror to reflect more sunlight into the box. The food to be cooked is kept in metal containers inside the box. In order to cook food, solar cooker is kept in sunshine. The reflector of solar cooker is adjusted in such a way that it faces sun. Once the sun's heat rays pass through the glass sheet, this glass sheet cannot allow them to go back. In this way, more and more heat rays of the sun rays are trapped in the box, by which the temperature in the solar cooker box rises to 100 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius within 2 to 3 hours. In this way, the heat cooks the food materials kept in the containers. Advantages of solar cooker are: the use of solar cooker for cooking saves precious fuels like coal, kerosene, and LPG. By cooking food in solar cooker, the nutrients do not get destroyed. It does not produce smoke. Limitations: solar cooker cannot be used to cook food during night time. It cannot cook those foods which require strong heating. Another example for solar energy is solar water heater. A solar water heater has an insulated box painted with black inside with copper tubes. It is covered by a glass plate which allows the heat to enter inside but does not allow the heat to escape out. When water flows through the copper tube, it absorbs heat and becomes hot. Disadvantages of solar water heater are: solar heater system requires a clear sun-facing position, that is, no obstacles projecting shade on the collectors. One more example for solar energy is solar cells. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cells are made from semiconductors like silicon, germanium, gallium, etc. A single solar cell produces a voltage of about 0.5 to 1 volt, and produces about 0.7 watts of electricity. So, several solar cells are arranged in a solar panel to produce more electricity. The advantages of solar cells are: the solar cells are used in scientific and technological applications. Artificial satellites and space probes like Mars orbiters use solar cells as the main source of energy. The solar cells are using renewable source of energy, that is, solar energy. The solar cells produce electricity, which does not cause any air pollution. The solar cells can be used in remote areas, inaccessible hamlets in which laying of power transmission. These are used for operating traffic signals, watches, calculators, and toys. The disadvantages of solar cells are: solar cells uses silicon, which is expensive. Silver is used for connecting the cells in a panel, which is more expensive. The current produced in solar cells is direct current. So, to convert direct current to alternate current, the cost increases.